Hey guys, this is Frankie Dachi Frankie Jen, and welcome back to the Boring Bunny channel. Shinyan Kaila, this is the first video of the new year, so welcome. Hello. Happy New Year to all of you. I know it's almost March now, but still, I can say Happy New Year to everyone. I hope everyone is on their path to improvement if they've made any kind of resolutions or goals. I don't know if I necessarily make resolutions anymore. I just kind of make goals for myself, and I try not to be too vague about it. I try to be like, this is what I want to do. Here's a plan on how to get there, and let's move forward. Now, when I say dreams, goals, aspirations, resolutions, they can also be fun things. It doesn't have to be, I don't know, what everyone always throws on their list every year. It's something that you want to do. I mean, obviously, it's something you want to do, but maybe this year you want to improve on your drawing. I mean, I know I do. I always want to. Maybe sometimes you want to improve on, I don't know, you want to take a dance class. You know? Whatever it is. I don't feel like it doesn't have to be like this strict, I must do. I mean, relax, you know? Relax, take a breath, do something fun. Who said doing something fun couldn't be a learning experience? You know? Well. Ooh. I don't know if you guys were here when I did my first art journal where I was talking about gardening and it was about gardening. Well, it's about that time to garden. It's about that time to garden again. And well, right now I'm trying to wait. I have to wait for the last frost. I have to go online and see when that's going to happen. But I'm trying to figure out if I want to do a spring garden or a summer garden because right now, I just kind of want to grow watermelon. I was interested in growing honeydew, and I want to just grow a bunch of herbs. You know, like, there was like one time I grew like basil, and I grew cilantro, and I grew all this stuff. And I never really harvested it. I probably should have, but I was just growing stuff to be growing stuff. But, I don't know, I kind of want to grow the melons, and I want to grow herbs, and I feel like I probably should try to maybe grow cucumbers or tomatoes or like something else, but that's kind of all I want to do right now. So that is basically, growing watermelons is more of a summer thing. So I'm like, well, if I'm going to grow that, then I don't have to try to hurry up and get out there, you know. But at the same time, I still need to clean up everything because I think I mentioned it, but in my bed, in my raised beds, there's nothing but dirt. But somehow, some way, the grass blew itself into part of the bed. So now I have to basically get that out of the bed before I start planting anything in there. So that's the main event. If you probably talked to Desi, the other person that is on this channel who does the ASMRs and the readings and stuff like that. She's already like growing stuff, like not outside, but she has like this little like patio, like sunroom where she has already got her plants going, like, and like also, you know, like we try to plan out like what we plan on doing for the new year. So we think of, oh, this is what I want to do and this is how I want to do it, blah, blah. And on her list was basically gardening stuff. And I think it was so cute because my dad gardens anyway. But because she was interested and all this kind of stuff, he was writing down, he was sitting out there on her patio with all the vegetation happening out there, writing down what he wanted to grow. Now, I haven't talked to him to see if he has started anything. As far as I know, he hasn't started yet, because he was telling me about the last frost. So, and I think it's cute too, because my mom doesn't really grow anything, but she's always like asking, like, what are you gonna grow? Are you gonna grow this? Da 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 da. So it's very cute. I'm just showing you it's a light pink dotted paper, and that's kind of what I created, that little thing in the back, and this is kind of my acrylic, pen. And an up close view. I did end up moving that little girl with the little with the little, I was going to say little munchies, little food. I didn't end up moving her over just a little bit. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.